Hi everyone, this is a collaboration and it's hosted by the Latina next door and the Junkin chick. Okay, this is my Duke right here, my Look for Less, and the price is coming up. And actually I found some even more expensive than this. So let's get started. Now, with things around the house, which is cardboard and bark from my tree on the outside, I decided to put together this wood slice. You see these around everywhere. And if you look back on my Look for Less, this is what's holding the pumpkin centerpiece up. So this is my creation of what I put together. I picked up this really nice pumpkin from Walmart. And now that I had my base, all I wanted was a nice sized pumpkin. Now this would do, but then I wanted to do something different. So I came across this. Yes, I'm working with this. It only costs $2. Got it for 50% off. And with a minor adjustments, I think it can work. And these are my flowers that I'm working with for my flower arrangement. Okay, before we get started, let's have a commercial break. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Okay, so here we have from this to this. Okay, so this is the transformation here, and more to come. From this to this. There is a playlist, so don't forget to go over and check out the other wonderful Looks for Less that's coming up. And you'll see the link down below. And a reason why I like this transformation is for this next step here. Of course, it lights up. So that's why I chose to go with this pumpkin here. Do you like this effect? This is the added effect that I put on there to really bring it out. Comment down below if you think I should have went with the first pumpkin or my scary pumpkin that gave me this effect, because it was lights on the inside. I would like to thank Yami, the Latino next door, and Sherry from the Junkin chick for hosting this collaboration. So don't forget to subscribe. We have more collaboration, home decor, and DIYs to come. And thank you. Thank you, amores. See you next time.